Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a Jayco 245 RLSW. So there's a couple things on here that's going to be a little bit different than some of them. This has basically all three packages on it. It's got your customer value package, which is a lot of stuff on the inside I can show you. It's got the Rocky Mountain Edition package, which gives you an additional 40-gallon freshwater tank in this, so it has 80 gallons of fresh water. And then it also has the Baja Edition package, which gives you the bigger off-road tires, and they flip the axles and a little bit more diamond plating. And I'll show you those too. You got a power tongue jack up front. You got your propane bottles up here. It's got the two bigger bottles on this one, so you got about 15 gallons of propane, two 7.5s. You got solar prep as well on that side, so you can plug a solar panel into that. This one has a little bit more outdoor storage than a lot of trailers. Typically you get something kind of like this with your pass-through, but you have a little bit more underneath the bed too. It's a big T shape in here instead of just a normal pass-through. Then you would have an additional compartment on the back too. So usually you just get whatever's up in the front and that's it. This has an additional outdoor storage on the back. You can throw your generators in there, different things that you might want to haul for camping. You got your power awning on the top here with an LED light strip in it. So you have your Baja package. So this, like all the other Jaycos, have made in the US Goodyear tires. That's pretty rare in this industry to have a tire that's that good. But this gives you a little bit bigger of an off-road tire on it, and they flip the axles, like I said, so it kind of sits up a little bit higher off the ground. Inside here, right as you come in through the back, very nice living area here. A lot of counter space. More counter space than a lot of 30-foot trailers will have in this 24-foot trailer. Split sinks. They're a little bit deeper with the design they did this year, so they're a little bit bigger. You got extendable sprayer, oven, microwave, 3 burners on your range. There's a lot of windows in this back area. You can back in at the coast or wherever you're at and kind of have a nice view at the back. This is a couch that you can make into a bed, so you got somewhere to sit besides just your dinette and your bed. So you got a dinette in here as well, a booth style that you can break down to an extra bed. You have sound system and your media system up front with DVD player, CD, Bluetooth. 2-door Norcold fridge, so it's got a bigger fridge in it. All the lights in here are all LED. Then you got your bathroom. There's 2 ways to get into it. So you can get into it from the bedroom separately from the hallway here. So you got a glass shower, separate toilet, separate sink. Then as you come to the bedroom here, you got a walk-around queen bed. You got a couple storage cabinets on the side for your closets, plugs on both sides of the bed with nightstands, and then this raises up and it's just huge underneath here. You have your big outdoor storage. There's a spot for a second TV if you want to put one in here. Part of the Rocky Mountain Edition package that they changed this year on the Jaycos is they got darker shades now. They've always been tan for years and it blocks a lot more light out. So you got this nice hallway that kind of separates the back room from the bedroom, and then the bathroom is also accessible from both sides. I got a couple things I'll show you out here. You got a full-size spare on the back. It's another off-road made in US Goodyear tire. Full walk-on roof on the Jaycos. You got a ladder on the back. You can actually get up there and walk around if you need to inspect it or check something out. We give you a free one every year for life, so you don't have to get up there, but if you ever needed to, it's there for you. And better off than that, the roof is strong enough to be able to handle somebody up there, so that's always a good feeling, even if you never have to get up there. So there's an outdoor shower as well on the back side, and kind of comes with a good package. So you got kind of everything you need there. You got your power tongue jacks, so you're not cranking stuff. You got power awnings, air conditioning, LED lights, and then that Rocky Mountain package really kind of enhances it with a ton of fresh water and a smaller, this is only a 24-foot trailer. This thing weighs about 5,500 pounds, so it's half-ton towable with just about every half-ton, and a lot of the SUVs can also tow it. There's a whole bunch of other stuff and similar ones like this I'd like to show you. Give me a call. My number is 541-525-4001, and my name is Ryan DeAngelis from the Guarantee RV Supercenter in Junction City. Talk to you soon.